Ikigai, a small Japanese word with a powerful heartbeat. It means the reason you wake up in the morning. But this meaning is only the surface. Beneath it lies a way of life, a philosophy, a quiet path toward happiness, longevity, and inner peace. Today, we are going to travel through the ideas shared in the book Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life, and discover the lessons that can help each of us live with more purpose and joy. Before we begin, if you enjoy deep, meaningful book summaries that help you grow and feel inspired, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. It really supports the channel and allows us to keep bringing you life-changing content. Now, sit back, relax. Let's begin our journey into Ikigai. The meaning of Ikigai. Ikigai is often described as a balance. The balance between what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. But in day-to-day life, Ikigai feels much simpler. It feels like doing something that gives you joy, something that makes time disappear, something that brings you peace and purpose. Your Ikigai might be a big dream, or it might be something beautifully small. For some, it's art. For others, it's cooking, teaching, writing, gardening, or helping someone in need. Ikigai doesn't have to be perfect or impressive. It just has to feel meaningful to you. The village where people live the longest. The book takes us to a small village in Okinawa called Ogimi. This village is often called the land of immortals because many people there live well past 100 years, happily, actively, and peacefully. What's fascinating is that their secret is not complicated. When asked why they live so long, their answers were simple. I always have something to look forward to. I stay close to my friends. I move my body every day. I don't rush. I eat light. I enjoy life. One 98-year-old fisherman still goes out to sea every morning, not because he needs money, but because fishing gives him joy. That joy is his purpose. That purpose is his Ikigai. In Ogimi, people don't chase success. They chase meaning. They chase connection. They chase moments that make life feel fulfilling. Never retire from your purpose. One of the strongest messages in the book is the idea that you should never retire from life. You can stop working at a job, but don't stop doing the things that give you energy and joy. In Okinawa, people in their 90s and 100s weave clothes, tend gardens, play music, cook, walk, and laugh. A 103-year-old woman wakes up every day to arrange flowers in a small vase. That simple act gives her peace. It gives her direction. It gives her life. Purpose does not have an age limit. The magic of flow. Flow is a beautiful state of mind where you forget your worries and become fully absorbed in what you're doing. It's when you lose track of time because your mind is deeply present. Flow happens when you engage in activities that match your skills and interest. Writing, painting, coding, cooking, solving problems, designing, building, or even cleaning. When you're in flow, stress melts away. Your mind becomes calm. Your creativity increases. And life feels meaningful again. People with strong Ikigai experience flow often because they regularly do the things they love. The power of small changes. Kaizen. Another Japanese philosophy in the book is Kaizen, which means continuous small improvement. Instead of making huge changes that overwhelm you, Kaizen encourages you to take tiny steps forward. Read 2 pages a day, walk for 15 minutes, learn one new word, practice your skill for 5 minutes, declutter one part of your room. Small steps taken consistently create big transformations over time. This approach removes pressure, removes stress, and builds long term habits naturally. Eating light, the 80% full rule. Okinawan people follow the simple principle of hara hachi bu, which means stop eating when you are 80% full. This one habit alone is linked to their extraordinary longevity. Eating less reduces digestion load, avoids overeating, and keeps the body youthful and healthy. One elderly man said, I like to feel a little hunger. It reminds me to stay humble. This mindset prevents disease and keeps your mind and body light. The strength of social circles, Moai. There is another beautiful concept from Okinawa called Moai, a lifelong group of friends who support each other emotionally, socially, and even financially. Moai groups eat together, walk together, talk, laugh, share stories, and stay connected through all stages of life. Loneliness shortens life, but community, true community, heals it. Your own Moai might be friends, family, colleagues, or a group with similar dreams. Human connection is one of the strongest secrets to long term happiness. Simplicity is happiness. People who follow Ikigai live simple lives, not because they have less, but because they know what truly matters. They enjoy nature, keep uncluttered homes, follow peaceful routines, and take things one day at a time. They don't rush life. They don't compare themselves to others. They don't force pressure on themselves. Happiness grows when life becomes simple. It is in the quiet moments that the heart feels the most alive. Purpose grows when you give. Ikigai teaches that purpose grows stronger when you share your gifts with others. You grow when you help someone. You heal when you support others. You feel alive when you contribute something meaningful. Kindness builds purpose. Service builds purpose. Creativity builds purpose. You don't need to change the world. Sometimes you just need to make one person's day a little brighter. Finding your own Ikigai. Your Ikigai might already be in your life, hidden in the things you love doing or in the moments when you feel free, alive, and pleasant. To find it, reflect gently. What brings you joy? What are you naturally good at? What makes you forget time? What do others appreciate about you? What makes your heart feel light? Ikigai isn't something you discover suddenly. It unfolds slowly, like a sunrise, as you listen to yourself more closely. Start small, stay curious, keep moving, connect deeply, give generously, and follow the things that make you feel alive. A gentle ending. Ikigai reminds us that life doesn't need to be loud to be meaningful. It doesn't need to be perfect to be beautiful. And it doesn't need to be fast to be fulfilling. A meaningful life is built from small, ordinary moments. The smile of someone you love, the joy of doing something creative, the peace of a slow morning, the comfort of good food, the warmth of human connection, and the quiet strength of purpose. If this summary inspired you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more life changing books that can help you grow, evolve, and live with more meaning. Your journey toward a calmer, happier, purpose driven life begins today.